Since you asked me, take a picture of you with your camera. Are you gonna take a picture with your camera? Can you turn it on for me?
I'm going here.
I'm going there.
I'm going in the app.
Okay. See how you work that thing. I think that turned on. Good job.
Let's see.
You want the pictures of yourself?
Look at the picture.
Can you see yourself? Can't see it till after it's done, bud. How do I look? Hi, everybody. What do you think? Hello. Dashing, younger, slimmer. You bet. What are you doing on the way? I'm trying to get your picture, bud.
That's Sydney.
There's Sydney. Can you say hi to your mama and pop? No, I'm too busy with your camera.
Sydney in here.
Sydney's in there. Did you take a picture while she was over? See your girlfriend? Sydney, your girlfriend, Fritz. I thought Lyra was your girlfriend.
Sydney.
Sydney is your girlfriend. You guys are a little closer in age. It might be more appropriate. Oh, boys and electronic toys. Can't get his attention anymore. Ah! Camera! Alright, bud. Can you say hi to your mama and pop?
And hi to. I don't.
You don't want to? Okay. I don't have to. Let's say whatever you want.
What is stress, Daddy?
That's the plug for the monitor. For the computer.
Fritz, it's time to get naked.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're gonna get your pants off and your diaper off.
Let's take the camera back out in the living room.